Next, start assembling. First, take out the egg shell. Put it on to check the size. Give a size. This bottom shell. Must pay attention. We'll use a hot glue gun, glue stick to glue it on here, but must be careful not to exceed this line. Can only connect it below this part. First, at the center position of the bottom, apply a little glue. Okay, the center of the bottom. Here, align this point. After aligning, turn it over. First, determine the position, just right on the edge of this layer. At the bottom here, absolutely do not glue onto this upper part, otherwise later, this position won't close tightly. At the edge position, spread open the crochet piece like this. Apply a little glue. Then glue it at the parallel position. Here, just cut the glue stick into a slanted edge like this. Then slowly glue. Be careful not to get burned. Using a hot glue gun would be easier to operate. You can pull it slightly like this. At the corresponding position, leave this gap here. The top part. We'll cover all of it because this is recessed from the inside. The outside needs to cover all of it. Same height as this one. Same method. First, apply a little glue on the top part. Put the bottom in. Then turn over. After turning over, first, loosen the crochet piece a bit. Also, at the edge part, can apply glue on this part. But it's prone to leaking out. Screw tight. After screwing tight, the egg is done. The egg assembly method is the same. So here, I'll just use this color to teach everyone to glue them together. Now assemble the dinosaurs. First, take out the eyes. Then take out a piece of black thread. The small dinosaur. It's not on this front side. Use this one as reference. Here is the folding direction. Then turn it over. First, find the corresponding eye positions. Use this fold here as the center. For example, glue them on the hands of the row. First, glue one eye. Then turn it over. After these two, here is the folding direction. At this position, glue another eye. It looks like this. Then use a piece of black thread to sew the mouth. For the mouth, we separate the thread into one strand here. Take one strand out from here. Thread the needle. In the lower part, this is the row of the eyes. At this position on the row below the eyes, come out from the inside. Leave a small tail here. Leave a small tail inside, at the position below this eye. Here is a triangle. After threading the needle from here, find this point. Go to this point and come out. Then make a triangle. Here you can also make this triangle smaller. Thread as you like. If you want to sew it smaller, just go through that half stitch. Just came out from here, then we go in from the side here. Also came out just a little here. Then bring it up and go in. After going in, take the two strands inside. First confirmed, after confirming, at the back. Take this strand to the side position. Or you can directly make a knot like this. Leave a small tail. Then you can apply a little glue here to secure it. Our small dinosaur or egg bag is done. Put our eggs inside.